Hey guys, Tom over at Cadillac in Schaumburg, client advisor here at the dealer group, and today I just wanted to go over the certified pre-owned vehicles that we have in our inventory. So first thing I kind of wanted to say about the certified pre-owned is that you get an extension of the bumper to bumper on the new car warranty. So instead of the 4-year 50,000, it's going to result to a 5-year unlimited miles. So basically you're going to get updated vehicle history reports on your vehicle from the original date in service until our current date. There is 24-hour roadside assistance for the life of your warranty. You do also have courtesy transportation with your warranty as well, specifically the certified. Also, when you do the certified pre-owned vehicles, you get a little extra, and that's more, your experience of the vehicle in itself. You're going to get a 3-month subscription with Sirius XM radio. And then you're also going to get a 6-month subscription with the OnStar, so you get to use the connected services and the safety and security services as well. One thing I wanted to share about the certified pre-owned is the 172 multi-point inspection. So on the day that we take the vehicle in on trade, we're going to take it right back to our mechanic shop. And I'm going to have one of my certified Cadillac mechanics actually take a look at the vehicle very thoroughly. So what he'll do is a whole bunch of things, but just a little recap. He'll do like engine, we'll take a look at the transmission, we'll do the wheels and tires, check all the fluids and whatnot, maybe take a look at the undercarriage just to make sure the vehicle is really clean. So guys, one thing I kind of wanted to close off with on the certified pre-owned is that they usually always do have these special financing. They come and go anywhere from the 36 to 72 months. You kind of just got to take advantage as the time comes. And one thing I always like to tell my customers, you get the experience of purchasing a new car Cadillac without having to pay for it. So that's also a great thing as well. Again, this is Tom over at Cadillac, and we hope to see you guys soon here in the showroom. Thank you so much.
Taking care of you.